Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find A and B. Solution: 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1 by 19. Now we are going to multiply by AB on both sides. So AB open bracket 1 by A plus 1 by B close bracket. Here A B times 1 by 19. So multiply this, we'll get AB times 1 by A plus AB times 1 by B equal to AB times 1 by 19. Now this A cancels this, same way this B, simplify this. So we have B plus, here it is A equal to AB by 19. Now we are going to multiply by 19 on both sides. So we'll get 19 open bracket B plus A equal to 19 times AB by 19. Now this 19 cancels this. Now we have 19 times B plus 19 times A equal to AB. We are going to move this right hand side. So AB minus 19B, here it is minus 19A equal to 0. Now we are going to take a B common from this. So B open bracket A minus 19 close bracket minus 19A equal to 0. Now B times A minus 19 minus 19A equal to 0. Now adding and subtract 361 on both sides. So B times A minus 19 minus 19A plus 361 minus 361 equal to 0. Now B times A minus 19, here we are going to take 19 common here. So 19 open bracket A minus 19 times 19 is 361. So 19, here we are moving this, 361 is right hand side, so equal to 361. Now this A minus 19 common, so we are going to take that common out. So A minus 19 open bracket B minus 19 equal to 361. Prime factor of 361 is 1 times of 361, 19 times of 19 and 361 times of 1. Now we are going to apply this as a case 1. This one A minus 19 B minus 19 equal to 1 times 361. So A minus 19 equal to 1, B minus 19 equal to 361. Here A equal to 1, we are moving this right hand side, so plus 19. A equal to 1 plus 19 is 20. Here B equal to 361 plus 19. B equal to 380. Now A plus B equal to 20 plus 380 is 400. In case 1, A plus B is 400. Case 2, A minus 19, B minus 19 equal to 19 times of 90. So A minus 19 equal to 19, comma B minus 19 equal to 19. Here A equal to 19 plus 19. So A equal to 38. B equal to 19 plus 19. So B equal to 38. So here A plus B equal to 76. This is the B value. Now case 3, case 3, that is A minus 19 equal to 361, B minus 19 equal to 1. A equal to 361 plus 19, A equal to 380. Here B equal to 1 plus 19, B equal to 20. In this case, here A plus B equal to 400. These are the possible solutions for given problem. Thanks for watching this video.